Good morning, freshmen, and happy Halloween. Today, we'll be subtracting like fractions and mixed numbers. Yesterday, we added with fractions with like denominators. We found that when we drew our models, we could add the numerators if the denominators were the same. Today, we're going to use models to prove what happens when we subtract fractions. Let's start by looking at an example.
Let's start by looking at an example. After her birthday party, Sam had 5/8 of a birthday cake left over. That weekend, her family ate 1/8 of the remaining cake. What fraction of the original cake was left after that weekend? Well, I know this is a subtraction problem because I'm going to take 5/8, and when I eat 1/8 of it, I'm going to take 1/8 away. So I'm going to start by modeling 5/8. Draw a picture of a bar and cut it into 8 pieces. Then shade in 5 of them because 5 is my numerator. Now, if I take 1/8 away, I don't change the denominator because I don't change the number of pieces my whole is split into. So the denominator stays 8. Let's take 1/8 away. If I take 1/8 away, how many eighths do I have left? I have 4/8 left. Now, there's only one thing I have left to do. Whenever I add or subtract fractions, I have to write my answer in simplest form. I have to simplify. So, I need to simplify 4/8. Do that now. When I simplify 4/8, I can divide by 4. 4/8 is the same as 1/2. Let's look at another example. Mark walked 8/10 of a mile on Tuesday. He walked 2/10 of a mile less than that on Wednesday. How many miles did Mark walk on Wednesday? Well, I can draw these fractions. I'm going to draw a bar for Tuesday and a bar for Wednesday. I've cut both bars into 10 pieces because the denominator is 10. I'm going to shade in 8 of my pieces for Tuesday. Do that on your paper now. So now my bar for Tuesday represents 8/10. I know that my bar for Wednesday need to represent 2/10 less than that. What's 8/10 minus 2/10? It's 6/10. My denominator doesn't change, and I subtract the numerator. So let's draw that model. Now, am I finished? Is 6/10 in simplest form? No. I need to divide the top and the bottom. I want you to simplify 6/10 now. I can divide 6 and 10 by 2. 6/10 is equal to 3/5. Let's try 2 more examples. 7/15 minus 2/15. Well, before I simplify, what's 7/15 minus 2/15? It's 5/15. Now, can I simplify 5/15? Yes, there's a number that goes into both. What number goes into 5 and 15? 5 goes into both. When I simplify 5/15, what's my final fraction? 1/3 is my final fraction in simplest form. Let's do another example. What's 13/18 minus 4/18? It's 9/18. Can I simplify 9/18? Yes, I can. What number goes into 9 and 18? 9 goes into both. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2. My answer is 1/2. Now you try to. 7/8 minus 4/8 and 3/4 minus 1/4. Make sure you write your answer in simplest form. What's 7/8 minus 4/8 written in simplest form? It's 3/8. I can't simplify 3/8. What's 3/4 minus 1/4 written in simplest form? Well, 3/4 minus 1/4 is 2/4. When I divide by 2, I get 1/2 when I simplify. 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 1/2. You've done a great job with this video. Go to Mixed Review Practice until everyone is ready.